What's up, guys? Sub-Zero here on the Met Gaming channel, and today we're going to be playing Hot Ghost Chicks Jump Scare Mansion.
It's called Spooky's Jump Scare Mansion.
It's called Hot
guys, so sorry about this,
Chicks.
but we did not save the last time we quit the game.
Yeah. So we're probably gonna be back at level 50, which is just great.
250. So
see, this game does, and obviously flashing lights. This is a video game. So make sure that if you're like frick, what do you call it?
Jumpish?
No, like if flashing lights.
If you're a bit epileptic.
Yeah, if you're epilepsy.
If you are epileptic, then I would suggest walking away from this video. And don't worry, guys. You guys are amazing. You epileptic people are amazing.
Yeah,
you
guys
have to
are
endure through so
amazing.
much in life. You're much stronger than me.
Dude, you just did freaking pull-ups. I'm pretty sure a fat kid can't do pull-ups. Me.
I can do pull-ups.
Spooky, don't listen to that. I am a very strong man.
No, I'm just swinging.
I would like to smash.
Stop, Drake.
No.
Drake, stop.
Drake, we're back at level 50.
250. So we're back where we started off the series. So this is...
Yeah, that's what I said when I saw Spooky. I was like, dang, Spooky. I was like, dang, Spooky,
hey,
you're
you know
fine.
what the shotgun says?
Spooky!
Okay, guys, so make sure to enjoy the video, and also make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
What the frick?
We're going to keep pursuing this channel.
Subscribe. Press the dislike button.
And Spooky, I hate you.
How dare you? She
I don't
will be
care.
my girlfriend
I don't care.
someday.
Guys,
Alright.
remember, comment down below, hashtag Spooky's a celebrity, because that's Drake's celebrity crush.
Oh, yeah, it is. Do that. Be hot as frick, and I would want to smash.
Stop. Okay, guys. Okay.
No, by smash, I mean, like, smash, like, cups and stuff with her.
Yeah, that's what he means.
No, seriously, I like smashing cups.
You want to smash cups with her?
Yeah.
Not the other meaning?
No, I actually want to smash cups.
You know what smash means?
I
smash
do.
means in the
I
appropriate
do, but I actually like to smash cups with people.
Oh,
what
that's
I mean.
so romantic.
That's what I mean. Yeah, it's so romantic. Just so romantic.
I know you don't mean it, though.
That's not what I mean.
That's
not my name!
Mr.
I threw him at his penis! I threw him at his penile dysfunction.
But guys, make sure, and also, tune in next time for the top 10 Mario baddies that look like butts!
Wait, where's the laughing? And make sure you tune it. And I just threw those beads at his penile dysfunction. Penile dysfunction! Yeah! Wait, that's not sad, that's funny. It's penile dysfunction.
Mr. Simon, why don't you just meet me in the middle? Hey Drake, I think this is what Spooky used to kill people.
I like that. She's kinky.
Yeah, like you.
Not kinky. Yeah.
This fidget spinner, if you could see it, it's very pointy and dangerous.
Yeah.
Frick!
Ha, you suck.
It's 3D printed and it has bad bearings, but I love it.
Yeah, because some kid made it, and he sucks. He sucks. You don't know his function.
He made a joke that was brown cheese. Comment down below if you know what that means.
Penile dysfunction.
Drake, do you know what that means by brown cheese?
No, I don't.
Crap.
Oh.
I just said it.
I call it
A penile dysfunction?
Yeah, I call that a penile dysfunction.
Stop.
No, it's we're like about 5 penile dysfunctions in the video.
And we only have, and we are into room 263.
Because you don't like this game, I'm gonna play it.
Yeah, I don't like this game. It's very gory.
No, he doesn't like the hot ghost chicks mall. So
Spooky small. Yeah, because you kill people.
yeah, no frick. I think I just went in a circle.
Do you want to play kindergarten on this channel? I don't.
Yes, I do. I
No.
actually want to play kindergarten on this channel. So guys, comment down below.
If you like,
If we hit 5 likes, we'll play kindergarten. No, if we hit 2 likes, we'll play kindergarten on the channel.
No, if we hit like 10,000 likes.
No, if we hit 2 likes, we'll play kindergarten.
No, if we hit 100 likes. If we hit 100
I'm going
likes,
in circles.
If we hit 100 likes, then we might consider it.
No, if we hit 2 likes. 2 likes, and then we'll play it.
No, we're not actually playing it because then I have to purchase it. Then I have to buy it.
Oh yeah, I forgot. God dang it. Oh. I'm okay. I'm okay.
But he's not okay mentally.
I'm okay. I'm okay, guys. Don't worry.
Oh my
I
god.
may have just screamed my heart. Spooky. I just screamed. No, God. Jesus. Jesus Christ.
So guys,
Lord
okay, here's a
Jesus.
bit of recommendation. If you like the more mature content, then check out Drake's videos. If you like the more family friendly content, check out mine. Stop looking at it! You just licked the thing! That's why we have a pop filter! You keep licking it! Stop, Drake. If you lick this one more time, I will... Mr. Simon.
I beat you, you sucker.
Yeah. Because I never died.
Oh, okay. I broke it. Spooky is a hot ghost thing.
Guys, make sure you seriously subscribe.
Ha!
Stop. And you're probably gonna see more scary content from Drake, and you're probably gonna see more.
Probably gonna
Other
more scary
stuff.
content for me. Penile dysfunction.
I'm turning the corner. Does this sound weird? I'm turning the corner on my
Okay, can
room.
you stop? Like, this is like my videos. And just in case you didn't know, I'm very passionate about Spooky.
Yes, we all know. You say that she's hot over and over and
Yeah, I'm gonna set her as my phone background now. Like, right now, I'm setting her as the background on my phone.
And make sure to check out for the top 10 Mario baddies that look like butts.
Wait, what? Here's a good picture.
Why do you like Spooky?
Because she's hot.
No, take me that picture. I'm gonna show my friends.
Why?
That
Be
that
like,
you
hey,
have a
here's
problem.
the chick. Hey, here's the chick my friend thinks is hot. Here she is.
Yeah, I'm gonna show
Yeah,
my friends
here
how to
she
get so weird.
is. My
I'm gonna show
friend
my friends
thinks
how to
that
get so
this chick is hot. Here she is. Yep,
Harsh
just here she
yours.
is. Here
Ooh,
she
I found
is.
a Wii remote.
That is freaking awesome.
Mr. Simon.
Hang on, guys. I'm trying to find a good picture of her.
Okay, guys. So, Drake, you have 6 minutes, so I
oh, okay.
suggest
I
you
like
start
this. I like this
speedrunning.
one. I like this one. I like this one.
Drake, I suggest you start speed running. Right.
Hang on.
You have 6 more minutes. If you don't hit another checkpoint, our viewers are gonna get bored.
Oh, okay. Hang on. Let me just set that as my background real quick.
Okay, guys. We're gonna pause the.
No, we're not pausing. I'm playing right now. I just gotta set that as my background.
No, you have to speed run. Like speed run it. Like go as fast as you can. Like always hit the speed button.
Use wallpaper.
Because we're canceling the series.
Wait, what? No, we're
I'm
not
kidding.
canceling the series.
Or maybe.
And my background set. Ready?
Boom.
Bam. She's hot.
Just wait for it. Just wait for it, Travis. You got
Wait for it, Travis. You got this.
Wait. Make him wait.
Bam.
For it.
Make him
wait.
wait.
for it.
Make him wait for it. Bam.
Boom.
Make him wait for it. He's gay. He's very gay. He's just oh so gay. He's just so gay, and I just licked the microphone again.
Stop.
I'm just kidding.
You licked the microphone.
No, I didn't. I'm kidding.
Don't lick the microphone.
Or am I?
Drake, you need to hurry.
I did not.
We need to hurry, or else we're gonna keep it open and we're gonna make a new one.
I'm not making a new one. All right.
No. We're gonna keep the tab open and make a third one.
Okay. Oh, hey, Cupcake. You're not as hot as Spooky, so bye-bye.
Wait, I want to see the cupcake.
Too bad. Have we read this one yet?
I'm gonna say on this video that about the girl that you like.
Who,
And,
Spooky?
No, I'm gonna tell her the other girl.
Oh, Talia?
And I'm gonna link it.
Talia?
I'm gonna link her this video.
Talia?
Yeah.
You don't even have her number, turd. You fucking turd.
I will find your number.
Keep in mind, I just called my friend a fucking turd. So. A flippin' turd. So, you know, my friend is a fucking turd, so.
Stop. I'm not a turd.
Yes, you are. You're a fucking turd. I hear breathing and I don't like it.
Oh, you're starting to get stacky, bro! Dude, keep running!
What?
Keep running!
What does this mean? I'm trying to keep running, but I can't. What's happening?
I don't know, but I don't like it.
Oh my god! Frickin' stamina! Go!
Stamina?
Yeah, that's what that's called.
It's stamina.
Oh, frick.
Oof, you effed up.
I fucked up. It's not called effed, it's called...
I'm sorry. That was bad.
Am I still in room 262?
The door was right there! You've been going in a
It's
circle!
freaking locked.
No, dude, check the table! Turn around!
There's such a surprise, and there will be another entry, another entry, one I can remember. How does it came all after night, disband. Inspiration will never leave me. Yeah, no frick. God dang it. Penile dysfunction. This game is being a penile dysfunction. God dang it, how do I get in that door?
Hey, keep it clean for the viewers.
You. No, how do I actually how do I get in that door? Spooky, where are you? Spooky.
Spooky!
Hey, let me look at my background. Oh, yes. Hey there, hot boy.
No, wait, there's another table in the corner. Go!
No, there's nothing.
How did you make it out?
I don't know.
Drake, we're at 13 minutes!
I don't like this game after seeing that spider. You know I don't like that spider.
You only like seeing Spooky, who will probably murder you in the
Yeah.
end.
No, she doesn't murder me.
Yeah, she does.
Frick, it's locked. I know what this means.
What does it mean?
Alt F4. Alt F4 right now. I don't want to go backwards, so I'm going to go backwards while I'm going backwards. This, I'm out.
You missed the door! That's the door!
No, it's this one.
No, it's not. Oh gosh. I don't like this. We still need to figure out my series. Maybe I could do a
If
short...
there's a hole, I'm going to have a heart attack. I'm going to die having never found my escape, but really that's not true. This place was like my escape from everything. Anyway, guys, my escape from everything. In the end, my death is kind of romantic. Spooky! So either way, guys, this will be it. See you guys
Drake,
next video, and
don't
Spooky is hot.
move.